Hello dear students, our today's topic is 5-member cyclic ring structure. Before that, we just look that what we learn in previous video. In that first, we learn about the what is heteroatom, what is heterocyclic chemistry, what is the classification of chemistry, organic chemistry, then the nomenclature of heterocyclic rings, what is the role of IUPAC in the nomenclature, as well as the numbering of heterocyclic chemistry. Now, in this video, we learn about a 5-member cyclic ring structure. So, this is the content of our today's video. In that, 5-member heterocyclic ring containing one heteroatom. After that, we will discuss about the 5-member heterocyclic ring containing two or more than two heteroatom. And after that, we learn about 5-member heterocyclic fuse ring. So let's start our today's session. In that 5-member ring, first we discussed about 5-member ring with one heteroatom. The first atom of or the first ring of this heteroatom is our thiophene. The thiophene means we all know that, and we earlier discussed about what is the thia. Thia means the sulfur, and this is also you can called as thiol because this is a sulfur and it is also known as a thia. In that, this thia, that means this sulfur is present in the 5-member ring. That's why it is also called as thiophene, or it is also known as the thiol. Thiol. That means the 5-member rings containing a single sulfur atom. It is also known as thiophene or thiol. OLE is a suffix of that ring because this double bond is present here. That means it is fully unsaturated compound with presence of sulfur, and the number is 1 2 3 4 5. That's why it is also called as thiol or the thiophene. The example of that heterocyclic ring derivative is cephalotene. In that the cephalotene structure, the thiophene ring is present, which is very essential for the pharmacological activity, or it is cephalotene is also known as a thiophene derivative in their chemical classification. Cephalothin is a semi-synthetic beta-lactam antibiotics of the first generation cephalosporin antibiotic with bactericidal activity, and the basic ring is here a thiophene, or you can say that the thiol, and here a substitution take place at the position number 2. That means according to the nomenclature and numbering, we should give the number like 1 2 3 4 5 2 here because the substitution start from here, and only a single substitution is present here. That means that's why we give the numbering like always start from heteroatom 1 and then 2 3 4 5 like that. Okay, the next atom is furan. Furan is a 5-member ring, or you can say that the oxole. OX, OX, oxol, OLE. huh? That means the furan is a five-member ring containing oxygen at the position number 1. The we see the examples of five-member ring which contain only single heteroatom. That means the our numbering should be start from the single heteroatom. The furan is a five-member ring which contain the oxygen. That's why it is also called as a furan. In that, the example of furan is nitrofurantoin. In the nitrofurantoin, there is a two substitution. That means here is one and second one is here. So that here west the numbering start from that place. The always heteroatom take place number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. The furan nitrofurantoin is a furan derivative. It is an antibiotic medication used for treat to bladder infection. That means urinary system. uh, you all know that, but it is not as effective for kidney infections. That means UTI, urinary tract infection. It is not useful for the UTI, urinary tract infection, but it is used for the treatment of bladder infections. Next one is here is our example is pyrrole. Pyrrole is a five-member ring which contain a single nitrogen at the position number 1 and it is fully unsaturated. It is also known as pyrrole or azole or azole. OLE is here because five-member ring which is fully unsaturated. The example of this pyrrole derivative is pyrivinine. Pyrivinine is one of the example. This red remark showing a basic ring which containing the different substitution here. This substitution is very essential for the pharmacological or biological action, and that substitution is in a general chemistry called as a functional group. This is the phenyl functional group, this is the methyl functional group, this is the methyl functional group, or this is a uh, another functional group. But in that case of pharmaceutical chemistry second, that is the organic chemistry, this present functional group is called as a pharmacophore. That means the functional group which provide or which gives or which is very essential for the pharmacological action. That's why this all the functional group present here. The bond which doesn't showing any substitution, that doesn't showing any substitution, that kind of situation you should understand that contain a methyl group here, that contain the methyl group here, and this is the chemical language. In the pyrrole derivative, pyrivinine is an anthelmintic drug which is effective for the pinworms. Several forms of pyrivinine have been prepared with the variable counter anions. That means this is the anions is present here, such as halide, tosyl, triplet, and pamate. The another example is our pyrrolidine. Now the DINE substitution. In previous video of the nomenclature, we discussed about the this E is replaced with DINE in the case of fully saturated compound with the five-member ring which contain only a single nitrogen. That case is showing This DIN is showing the compound which is fully saturated. The example is ethosuxinamide. Ethosuxinamide is used alone or with the medications for prevent or control the certain type of seizure. That means this ethosuxinamide is one of the choice of drug for the anti-epilepsy or anti-epileptic, or it is the best choice of drug for petimal epilepsy, that is seizures. It works by controlling the abnormal electric activity in the brain that occurs during a seizure. Our next example is pyrazole. Our next example is pyrazole. Pyrazole is a five-member ring. Now we move forward. A five-member ring containing two or more heteroatom. Two or more heteroatom in a single five-member ring. So first example is pyrazole. Pyrazole. This pyrazole contain two nitrogen at the position number 1 and 2, and this is the five member ring. Pyrazole is another example, but it contains the two nitrogen at the position number 1 and 2. The example is sulfaphenazole. इथं एक्झाम्पल दाखवण्यामागे एकच कारण आहे, की ह्या बेसिक रिंग्स आपण लक्षात ठेवणारच आहोत. आपल्याला त्या लक्षात ठेवायच्या आहेत. त्या ठेवत असताना ह्या बेसिक रिंग्स ला ह्या वेगवेगळ्या सबस्टिट्यूशन लागून आपल्याला मेडिसिनल ऍक्टिव्हिटी देणारं म्हणजे आपल्याला फार्माकोलॉजिकल ऍक्शन देणारे ड्रग्स या ठिकाणी फॉर्म होत आहेत. आणि ह्या बेसिक रिंग्स वरती, ह्या बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर वरती ह्या ठिकाणी अशा पद्धतीने ह्या सबस्टिट्यूशन्स दिल्या जात आहेत. ह्या सबस्टिट्यूशन्स म्हणजे ह्या फार्माकोफोर्स आहेत. त्या फार्माकोफोर्स म्हणजे ज्या फार्माकोलॉजिकल ऍक्शन दाखवतात असे फंक्शनल ग्रुप या ठिकाणी अटॅच होत आहेत. दॅट्स वाय हे एक्झाम्पल या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहेत. The best example of pyrazole derivative is sulfaphenazole. Is a long-acting sulfonamides antibiotic used in the treatment of leprosy. It is the anti-leprotic drug. It is a selective inhibitor of cytochrome P450 or CYP2C9 isoenzyme and antibacterial agent. Now, the next derivative is imidazole. Imidazole, that means the it is one of the five-member ring containing derivative with the two nitrogen at the position number 1 and 3. इमिड्या हा वर्ड ज्या ठिकाणी येईल हे लक्षात ठेवायचं की नायट्रोजन प्रेझेंट असणार आहे आणि तो नायट्रोजन हा 1 आणि 3 पोझिशनवर असणार आहे, म्हणजे इमिड्या ॲज होल. इमिड्या ज्या ठिकाणी येईल त्या ठिकाणी जो पण हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असणार आहे, मग तो नायट्रोजन जरी असला तरी इमिड्या ह्या वर्डमुळे तो पोझिशन नंबर 1 आणि 3 कॅरी करणार आहे. तो नायट्रोजन 1 आणि 3 पोझिशनवर असणार आहे. हा इमिड्या या ठिकाणी असं लक्षात आपल्याला ठेवू शकतो आपण. म्हणजे इमिडाझोल that is the one of the five-member ring which contain the two nitrogen at the position number 1 and 3. Whenever you explain that ring or you told someone about the description, then you should describe the structure like that. This is the pyrazole. The pyrazole is a five-member ring which contains two nitrogen at the position number 1 and 2. Hence, it is called as pyrazole. This is the explanation of pyrazole. Or in the case of imidazole, you can say that imidazole is a five-member ring which contains two nitrogen at the position number 1 and 3. Hence, it is called as imidazole. Imidazole derivative The example is metronidazole is a nit- nitroimidazole derivative bactericidal agent widely used in the treatment of many anaerobic or certain protozoans or parasitic infections. That means this is the imidazole, and again this various kind of substitution at the position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or substitution are present in the number of 1, then 2, and then the 5 number position. Next one is a 5-member ring contain 2 or more heteroatom. In that, now we move forward the 3 heteroatom present in a same 5-member ring, position number 1, 2, 3, or it is called as the triazole. Tri, that means 3, aza means nitrogen, as OLE. Ol, that means 5-member ring, or OLE represent the fully unsaturated compound which contained 3 nitrogen at the position number 1, 2, 3, and this 1H contain, that means this H is fully saturated. It completes its all the valency, that means nitrogen containing 2 valency, the 3 or 5, or it completes its all valency, that 1, 2, 3, that means 3 bonds are present, so that it is fully saturated nitrogen. Hence this 1H represent the saturation number or nitrogen that have fully saturated, or 1, 2, 3 triazole. The 1 2 3 triazole is a 5-member ring which contain 3 nitrogen, at the position here showing that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and fully unsaturated because OLE showing a unsaturation in the 5-member ring. The example is the best example of triazole is fluconazole. It is a derivative of triazole. Fluconazole is a synthetic triazole with antifungal activity, so that this is the best drug for antifungal activity. Then the next one is tetrazole. Tetra means 4. You all know that. And the tetrazole, that means the 4 nitrogen 5-member ring which contain 4 nitrogen at the position number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then it is called as a tetrazole. The example of tetrazole is valsartan. The example of tetrazole is valsartan. Valsartan is a angiotensin second inhibitor or antagonist of angiotensin inhibitors, that this kind of drug used for the cardiovascular agent, or anti, or it minimize, or it against to minimize our blood pressure, elevated blood pressure. That's why valsartan is one of the best drug for that activity, or reduce the blood pressure, so that this tetrazole is used. All red compound or red heterocyclic ring is the basic structure which have the substitution of different kinds of pharmacophore which elicit, which gives the different kind of pharmacological action. Next one is our different 5-member rings which contain 2 or more heteroatom. 3-pyrazole. Now these 3-pyrazole represent the unsaturation level of our pyrazole derivative, or we learn about the pyrazole which contain 2 nitrogen at the position number 1 and 2, and these 3 represent the unsaturation level. Pyrazolidine. Pyrazolidine, DINE, represent the fully saturation of pyrazole. That's why it is called as pyrazolidine. DINE showing the fully unsaturation. Then next one is your 2-imidazoline, 4-imidazoline, or imidazoline 2,4-dione or hadontoin derivative, or the common name of this is hadontoin. In that case, 2 number unsaturated, 4 number showing unsaturation. This numbering showing the unsaturation of our this case. In this case, pyrazolidine, this is fully saturated case, and hence here no number is showing. Here where you see the number like 3, 2, 4, this number is fully unsaturated. That's why here you can say that this this start from this here, this start from this here, and here the bonding start from 4 number. That's why it is given in a 4 4. The bonding start from second number. That's why it is uh, number is given here. So or this here third number. So all that number given in this way. Hadontoin is a imidazolidine derivative, imidazolidine, fully unsaturated case of imidazole, are because of their fully saturation, it is showing DINE in the suffix, and hence it is imidazoline 2,4-dione, 2,4-dione, di-one, or this double bond O, here dione is significance present at the position number 2 and 4. Here the structure is somewhat wrong. This position is wrong. The 4 position is here. That's why this bond is present here, not here. And it is the common name of imidazoline 2,4-dione is hadontoin. The next lecture we will discuss about the 5-member ring containing 2 or more heteroatom. In that case, isooxazole. Isooxazole. Now, in previous, we see the 2 or more heteroatom, but the same heteroatom. Here, previous side, 2 or more heteroatom, but both are the same, both are the same, both are the same, but the position is different, but the heteroatom is same. Only the position is different. Only the position of heteroatom is different, but the heteroatom is same. Now we move forward the 5-member ring containing 2 or more heteroatom, but the heteroatom is different. We will discuss it in a next lecture. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this, and if any query we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you. Thank you.